Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Abigail Amara. Why do I always do this? I don't understand. Today's YouTube video is going to be an unboxing video on Makiage foundation. I think that's how you pronounce it. If you're like me and you've been seeing hundreds of ads all over saying take the quiz, take the test, it matches your true skin tone. Okay. I don't know if this works or not. So I'm trying it out for you so you guys know whether this thing is the real deal and whether it can even compare to what I currently use, which is Fenty Beauty. So let's see if it can beat Rihanna. Because my Fenty Beauty is good, but I feel like it's too orange for me and any other tone won't fit. Let's get right into it. I have the parcel right here. It comes saying minimalism is dead. Okay. I don't know what that means, but the quote looks important. Before you go any further, please can you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be coming up with much more content. So as we, it's got this sticker for return. Yeah, at least I can return it if I don't like it. That's a plus. This box looks nice and, you know, sleek. I like the kind of font. Da-da-da. It looks really nice inside. Untraditional, uncompromising, undeniably extra. That's what it says. This is the instruction, so we're gonna take the instruction. I woke up like this foundation, flawless base foundation. It is in the color 225. With colors, it was hard. I had to watch a lot of videos, especially for dark skins. Like, it was hard finding loads of videos. I wasn't finding the right ones. Just open it like that. That is really cute. I like that. I might keep the box. It says inside, dramatic pause, please. Okay. It looks quite light. No, actually, no. That looks my color, I think. Because I actually need to get ready, I am probably not gonna... Oh, it comes out like that. I thought it was a squeezy thing that would have gone everywhere. Okay, so it comes out like this. Is this a brush? It smells chemical. Apply 2 pumps to your entire face, jaw, and neckline. That's number 1. This is the instructions. Number 2, blend out with a brush or sponge, not by hand. Wait 5 minutes for foundation to set before checking the shade. Don't match to your neck or wrist. They're a different tone than your face. They very much are. Look how dark my neck is compared to my face. Finish your face with concealer, blush, and bronzer. Wear for a full week to determine if it's for you. Wear for a full week. I'll usually just apply with like, yes, no. My only worry is I'm actually going out. If this doesn't work, I'm going to be looking quite weird. Apply 2 pumps. What is pumps?
What is pumps?
So like, it's not really a pump, is it? Maybe it is and I can't see. I think I opened it wrong. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh my days, I opened it wrong. No wonder. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh my gosh, this is looking very similar to my Fenty foundation, so I'm getting a bit scared. Very orange. Oh my gosh, is this my color? Okay, it's a bit darker and I do like dark foundation, so that's a plus. It's gonna aggravate me. How comes every time I wear foundation, it ends up looking orange? I shouldn't judge though, because they say to wear it for a full week and you have to wait 5 minutes, So, what do we think? It's really hot, so anything that I put on my face will just feel groggy anyway. Actually, forget what I said before, it's not as orange and light as I thought. I'm gonna still wait 5 minutes. I like it. Damn, Fenty need to watch out. I don't want to wear too much anyway, because it's really hot today. It's like 31 degrees. And you know, like UK heat, it's not even nice heat. It's just, you just feel sticky and horrible. They've impressed me once again. And even the color I originally wanted to get was out of stock. Okay, so I'm waiting and it's getting darker. I won't lie, most of my blemishes are gone, but some of them aren't. I would say medium coverage. This isn't full coverage what I did. No foundation makes my neck go lighter. And this one actually made my neck go lighter, so I have to commend it for that. It's just that some dark spots here aren't covered, even though I put the pump there. But that's okay, because I don't think they're calling it full coverage anyway. It does have a nice base. Especially my skin looks one tone. And like I can actually put on mascara and just leave the house and no one will think I have unfinished looking makeup. I'm just gonna put my setting spray because I like to do this step anyway. I think the 5 minutes are up. I like to put setting spray over my foundation to lock it in because it's such an important base. I really like this. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup and then I will show you guys the results. I just finished my makeup and I am quite impressed. Not that I don't like my makeup in the previous times, but I like it today, and I don't know if that's because of the foundation, because I even did quick makeup. I did this in like half an hour maximum, and usually I take at least an hour and a half. But it definitely played a part. I feel Fenty might be defeated on this one. Fenty is brilliant foundation, let me not even lie, but there's something about this. It doesn't feel heavy and it matches my skin tone. Like I thought it would be way too orange. I'm just gonna even put it on my hand right now, yeah, just a bit. A bit of Makiage, a bit of Fenty is the only way we can get the true lightness. So this is Makiage and this is Fenty Beauty. You can definitely see which one's lighter and which one's darker. This is definitely yellow undertone, and because I'm already yellow, it yellows me out and it just looks way too light for me. And Fenty is taking very long to blend. See, my hands are really light compared to my face, because foundation isn't to lighten your skin, it's to stay true to your skin whilst giving you a flawless base so that you can, you know, take off. It's like the drive up towards the taking off on the runway. This is the takeoff. We're in the air now, we're flying. I definitely do recommend. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, guys. If you could just like and subscribe below for me. All of this is gonna swell off. It's so hot. Do not do your makeup in the heat.